Hey, good morning. I just got off a Tai Chi call. I'm out here in the woods. It's already 9:30 in the morning on Sunday. Beautiful day here, and we just created a small group because we're stuck with Corona. We created a small group, and some people are trying out different things. But that's not why I wanted to talk with you. Yesterday, my son created. He's 14 years old, and we're in the car. And basically, you know this about me if you've read my books, but I will do anything to make anything happen, right? There's nothing, no way, bribery, extortion, coercion, it's all good, right? And so my son, he wants an Xbox, PlayStation controller. I'm like, great. So, you need something, I need something. Let's make a deal. And what I need is for my courses, for my podcasts, I would like a an intro, the intro songs, the intro music, right? Dun, 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 and the outro music, right? Yeah, clearly, I'm not a musician. That was my intro and outro music. So for school, he had to do this he had to create a music thing with a garage band on the iPad and stuff. So he did it, and he got a little familiar with how it works. So I said, hey, in exchange for the controller thing, I need some intro and outro music. So can you make me something? We're talking like 30-second piece. But it's got to come from nothing, right? What is it? What are you offering? What is the type of music you want? I mean, he has okay, blank sheet, right? Blank music sheet. What do you got? What's coming? What are you going to make? What and so he has to ask me questions. What do you like? What kind of sound? How long is it? How strong is it? Like light and fun? Is it, what kind of instruments is it? Who's the target audience? And he's asking all this stuff, right? And so we're making it. And then he started to listen to other things, say, oh, maybe something like that. Or how about something like this? And I said, oh, here's something good. How about something like that? And so he's there on it and he's making the GarageBand on the iPad is amazing, right? You can say, zoop, now it's a violin, zoop, now it's a piano, zoop, now it's a drum set. And you can do things and you can record it. So there's drums say bum 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 bum, and you record that and you can have it repeat or something. You can violin and it's on a repeat or it's not. And he's making all this stuff. And by the way, this is a big point for me for Create. This does not mean we need to get a recording studio. We have to schedule it 8 years in advance, and it needs to be perfect, and the audio, and the cables, and the machines, and the violin, which he's never going to. I don't have a violin. He has an iPad. That's what we can use. So, and we're on the way to the store. We have 27 minutes. Hey, look, okay, we have 27 minutes. We need to make something. And he did, and he made something, and we've got some rough cuts, and I want to make sort of three versions. And what I would like to do, and I'll get it up into here, not in this video right now, but I'll get three links to what he's done, and maybe you can help me choose some intro music for a book or a podcast or even this course. So when you listen to the intro music of this course, let's see where it came from. For now, I have some stock music, and it's nice, but wouldn't that be cool if I'm walking the talk and my kids are creating? And he had a blank iPad, got 27 minutes to go to the store, and he's going to create intro music. So what has happened here? I create because I'm creating a course. I need addition. I need additional creation from my creation. So what's going on? It is the compound effect. I am doing something. It is the action causes a reaction. I'm creating a course. I'm creating a podcast. I need someone to create an intro music. That's it. It's that simple. And we don't need the fancy studio. We need an iPad and we need 27 minutes. There you go. This has been only 4 minutes. It's a Sunday morning. I've been talking. I talked to my mom for an hour, and then I had this Tai Chi and breathing for an hour. I'm ready to go home, but I said I'm going to sit here because I want to talk with you because I want to get this point across about how easy it can be to create. And my son, guess what happened? It built confidence. He got better at what he was doing. He's appreciated by me. I need something from him, and I want something from him, and he can provide it and feel good about that because he created something. I'm Bradley Charbonneau. This is Create.